What's up guys, my name is Grishma and welcome to my channel, and in this video I am exploring a store called MR.DIY, which is a home improvement store. So this is a Malaysian brand store that recently started opening its branches in India. So the first one was in Infinity Mall Malad, and now the second branch is opened in Thane Big Mall that is located in Gorbanda Road, and the third branch is opening in Viviana Mall Thane. So they're slowly growing their branches in India as well. So they are assuring that the prices of the items are quite lower, so I am super excited to go and explore the place, and I am going to take you guys along with me. So let's go. MR.DIY store recently opened in Big Mall Thane is a huge store and had a variety of products in it. The first lane was all about hair accessories, hair bands, clips and other cosmetic accessories as well. Next we found a lane dedicated to storage boxes, gift boxes and all sorts of boxes from wooden, plastic to cardboard. Great options for gifting something, putting in these boxes. Next to the boxes were paper bags of different colors and varieties. This store is literally very big. It has everything from home decor, office supplies, stationery, beauty, everything. These were piggy banks that they had in all sorts of colors and sizes. The products were filled from top to bottom rack and many options to choose from. So this behind me are all contact papers, and they are literally very cheap, as even cheaper than Amazon. Home decor items like photo frames, from simple plain frames to fancy photo frames. Not only photo frames but wall hangings to decorate a space, and all at an affordable price. Even though it's not monsoon now, but they had some really cute umbrellas in the store. MR.DIY is a home improvement store, so there are curtain rods, curtains of different colors and sizes. So here there is a huge variety of tools. You can see behind me there is a whole lane dedicated to tools. They also have a pet section here, so there are leashes, there are toys also available in this store. Wall painting tools, right from brushes, palettes to rollers, literally everything. There was also a section for adult and baby footwear, and the options there were amazing. Huge variety for stationery, right from pens, pencils, markers, office supplies and more. Children pencil boxes, colorful pens, and stationery was very cute. There were also some stationery items that were in sets, and I think that would be a great gifting option for kids. This is my favorite section, stationeries and colorful pens. Look how cute are these. These are keychains. There were a lot of keychain options to choose from, and also the keychain had interactive features in it, like some had lights in it, some had sound, or maybe a mirror or something unique. You also have these grass panels that you can install all by yourself in your home. More home related items like these wall clocks, from rustic looking to modern designs, they had it all. They even had a huge variety of earphones, from the simple to the cool funky ones. Some earphones even came with a case to carry, and it was pretty cool. Talking about organizers, they have a huge variety of organizers. Like this behind me is the one that is used in the bathrooms, and the plastic one, steel one, you name it, they have it. So the diary collection over here is insane and also insanely cheap. So I am getting very indecisive as what I should select for my new diary. If you want to throw the greatest party of all time, then you need to come to this store for all the supplies. Everything from decorations, costumes, masks, paper plates, cups and all the things that is needed for any kind of party. And after the party you want to clean, there are cleaning supplies too. I am going crazy inside the store. It's amazing. It's my new favorite store. So today is a Saturday when I'm shooting this, and there are a lot of people coming to this place, and also this place has recently opened, so there's a lot of curiosity among people as well. Coming to car accessories, there were like 2 rows dedicated to car accessories. They had cleaning supplies for cars, accessories like mobile holders, bottle holders, coat holders, car stickers, perfumes, wipers, sun protecting sheets and more. Organizers and containers of different sizes, shapes and colors at an inexpensive price. More home related items like rugs, carpets, bathroom mats and more. The store even had kitchen items like cooking pans, utensils, spoons and knife. MR.DIY is a store that contains almost everything related to home and even more. There's a huge variety of products and the quality of the products is also very good. So I'm back home and this is all the stuff that I have bought. So I bought a lot of things and I'm just gonna randomly show whatever I got. So the first thing I can see is this drawer dividers. Now these are used for organizing stuff, like you can keep it in your drawers, and here's a picture of it, like how this works, and this was for 73 rupees. Next I have an eyelash curler. I was in the need of an eyelash curler for a very long time and I saw this one and this was for 85 rupees and it looks quite promising. I don't know how this will work. Now let's see and hope my eyelash doesn't come off. Next I have this unicorn Flamingo kind of a book. It's this tiny little notebook and I thought it's like very good, like I can keep it on my desk to write some important things or to-do list, something like that. And this was for 47 rupees. I bought this brush. It's a pink little brush. It looks like this, and I bought this for Chubby. This is a pet brush, and they also had a lot of pet supplies like leash, toys or even aquarium related things for fishes, and I bought this one for Chubby and this was for 75 rupees. Next I bought this wrapping paper. The wrapping paper variety over there was amazing. They had a great variety and also at an affordable rate. So I bought this one for 49 rupees. Next up I have this small little cutter. It is like very tiny and it was for 10 rupees, so I thought why not buy this one. Next up I have this transparent folder. So this was for 29 rupees. It also comes with like holes which you can attach it inside a file as well, and I think that's very clever of them to use it like that. The next up I have this pair of pliers. This was for 135 rupees and I think for the price it's very good. It looks very promising as well. So yeah, I bought this one. Next up I have these mats. So basically when you serve sushi, you can place this mat below it and then place a bowl on it. But I'm not going to use it for that. I'm going to again use it like a decor element. This was only 29 rupees. Next up, I have this very cute Flamingo Keychain. I thought it was adorable. Okay, there you go. Just look at it. It is so cute, and I did not knew it. But when there's a button, and when you click it, I thought it was adorable, and yeah, and this was for 91 rupees, and for a keychain, I think it is a good price. Next up is a pair of socks. Now I'm a shoe person, and I'm always in a need of new pair of socks. So I bought this one, and I bought this one basically because it had a bunny or a cat on top of it. I don't know, but I thought it was really cute. This was for 55 rupees, and it's quite cute. Now next up I have contact paper. This was for 81 rupees. It is like this light wood kind of a tone thing. For the price, I think it's very cheap, because if you search online or in different stores, it's quite expensive, and they even had marble contact paper or brick contact paper, different varieties of contact paper, and you can use it onto your walls as well, or you can use it to cover a surface or something like that. I don't know how I'm gonna use it, but I wanted it, so I bought this one. I have this glitter set. Okay, this was for 29 rupees, and there are both like a bronzy and a silver color glitter in it. Next I have this pen set. These are this normal pen set, and these are the gel pen. Yeah, and this was for 25 rupees initially, but I got it for 19 rupees. I don't know, there was a sale or something, or new store opening. Next I got this container organizer kind of a thing. It's white, and it is for 105 rupees. Now I am a type of a person who likes to keep everything organized. That is why I bought this one. I'm gonna use it in my cupboard or somewhere to organize my stuff and keep it nicely. So the last thing, and also one of my favorite things, is I got this notebook. It says all good things are wild and free. I just found it really adorable. Like, the pages are plain white, but yeah, I just like this one. Okay, so final thoughts. I really love the store. I'm gonna go back again very soon. The prices are very inexpensive, as they promised us to be, and the variety is good. I especially love the books section, like the notebook section, and also the car accessory section. That were two of my favorite sections in the store. Other than that, other sections were also very nice, like the container section or the bottle section. They were also pretty amazing. Yeah, that was it for the video. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos. I upload videos every Wednesday. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in